So I wanted to put you guys on to this mask that I've been using by Innisfree. This is a K-Beauty product, which I absolutely love. And since I've been using this, I've definitely noticed that my pores look a lot cleaner. I have less blackheads, and my skin just looks a lot better, less oily, but yet still hydrated. This is the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. What I love about this is it gives you a deep cleanse without drying out your skin or irritating your skin like some other clay masks can do. It's purifying, so it gets all that gunk out of your pores. It feels cooling and kind of minty, but it's refreshing and not like a harsh feeling. You can use this with steamed or freshly cleansed skin for deeper pore cleaning. That's what I like to do. It's very smooth and creamy. I'll show you the texture of this. So it's easy to spread on. It's not like a gritty or brittle texture. It's just a nice smooth, easy to apply, as you can see there.